Today we're here at 441 Ocean View Avenue, unit number 103 in beautiful Pismo Beach. There's a 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage townhome just a few minutes from downtown Pismo Beach. In the lower level of the home, there is 1 bedroom with back patio access and a half bath. In the main living area of the home, you'll find beautiful travertine tile, built-in entertainment center, and gas-driven fireplace. The kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and self-close cabinetry. In addition to, you will find vaulted ceilings and an abundance of natural light. The master bedroom features an ensuite 3/4 bath with beautiful tile work and clean finishes throughout. Just adjacent, you will find the guest bedroom, also with ensuite Hollywood bath, with similar tile work, granite counters, and quality finishes. For more information, please visit oceanview103.com or email info@007reg.com.